Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and kitchen groups. So for this, you're going to go to hrpos.heartland.us, and then you're going to click on your menu icon up here at the top, and then you're going to go to Account Menu, and then all the way down here on the bottom on the left is the bulk editor tool, right here. So the bulk editor tool is a new tool that Heartland just came out with. I think it's really great. It makes things a whole lot easier when you're wanting to edit things in bulk. So for this video, here's all the categories, but for this video we're going to do kitchen groups. If you want to check out one of these other categories, please see my other videos. So in kitchen groups, there's actually not a whole lot to change in here. It's basically gives you a spot to add new. You can search if you have a bunch. And then these are the names of your kitchen groups that you can rename, or you can delete them here. So not a whole lot to it, but it is here. And if you have a bunch of kitchen groups, I'm sure it would be really handy. Don't forget to save when you're done making your changes and hit the publish button so that it shows up on the workstation. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.